In this new era, farmers need to be advanced and smart. They need to increase their yield and reduce their cost. Only government policies cannot help farmers. To help farmers, we are introducing our new pesticide spraying drone Agribot and our new agriculture inspection drone Agribot. Agribot has a superior construction. Our motors are dust and waterproof. Electrical connections are water resistant. Flight time with fully charged battery is up to 20 minutes. It has robust, foldable carbon fiber frame. It comes in 5, 10, 15 and 20 liters capacity. Agribot comes in hard case, which is again easy and safe to carry. By traditional pesticide spraying methods, one person can cover 1 acre in one day, where Agribot can cover 1 acre in just 2 minutes. With fully charged batteries, Agribot can cover up to 3 acres. Agribot's engine-powered model can cover up to 27 acres in 8 hours. It is very easy to use, still we give complete training to our users. Agribot has very good terrain following capability. This makes it very usable for step farming. Above all, it is completely safe for users. No health issues now. To achieve better efficiencies, user can adjust draw speed and spray speed based on chemicals to be sprayed per acre. Using Agribot, you can utilize 85% of the chemicals sprayed. In manual, it is hardly 70%, so it is 20% more efficient than manual method.